Let's begin with the first one, accrual principle. This is the most important and most basic principle that needs to be followed. Means it's like the hardcore part of the accounts. It is one of the important accounting concepts and principles that mandate the recording of transactions in the time period in which they occur. The thing which we were actually talking about in the example. It is regardless of the time when actual cash flows for the transactions are received. Most large-scale business adopt an accrual system to determine the cash flow of the business operations, right? So accrual principle means whatever is due should be recorded at that time. If income is due in this year, it should be recorded in this year. If income is due in next year, though we have received in this year, it should be recorded in next year. That is the accrual principle. Let's talk about the example. What is accrued revenue and accrued expenses? When I say accrued revenue, it means if a company provides a service in 1 month but doesn't invoice the client until the next month, right? I'm repeating, if the company is providing the service in this month, but invoice nahi gaya until the next month, the company records the revenue as accrued in the month of the service provided. अगर मैंने जनवरी में सर्विस दी है और मैं बिल फरवरी या मार्च में दे रही हूँ, तो मैं रिकॉर्ड इनकम जनवरी में ही करूँ, क्योंकि मेरी ड्यू वो इनकम जनवरी में ही थी, right? So this is accrued thing. For example, if a consulting firm provides services in January but invoices the client in February, the firm records the revenue in January. So accrued means record when due, not when received. Record the transaction, the financial transaction, the financial revenue when due and not when received. Accrued expenses, if a company receives a good or service but doesn't pay for it until later, the company records the expense as accrued. For example, if a caterer receives food from a supplier but doesn't pay the bill until later, the caterer records the food as an accrued expense. It goes the same way for the accrued expense. If I'm spending on something, maybe on raw materials in January, I have to record this expense in January itself, right? So whenever the expense is being incurred, whether paid or not, whenever it is being incurred, it should be recorded in that month. Same for the revenue. Whenever the income is due, it should be recorded in that month, not when received, right? Or not when paid in case of expenses. So this is a very simple but very basic and much more applied principle. I hope everyone is clear with this accrual principle.